Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another good tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are always here to help you. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you could fix if you can't send any of the video on WhatsApp. So if you are trying to send a video on WhatsApp and it's not sending, then you can fix that out. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is to simply head towards your Google Play Store, or if you are an Apple user, you have to head towards App Store. Once you are on the Play Store, what you have to do is to simply tap on the search bar icon at the bottom of the screen. Then head towards the search at the top of the screen, and here you have to search for WhatsApp. Now basically, once you are on the WhatsApp, you have to make sure that you are using the up-to-date version of the app, because updating the app usually fix all the bugs and glitches inside the app. So if it says update right next to the app, you have to simply tap on that and update the app. Once you have done, simply go back, head towards the WhatsApp application and tap and hold it. After that, such type of pop-up will appear, and then from this pop-up you have to simply head towards app info. From the app info, what you have to do is to simply head towards storage and cache, and basically you have to clear out the storage and cache for WhatsApp, and after that all the bugs would be removed. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.